The Fujitsu General Group will strive to pave the way to a future filled with dreams, with greater comfort, greater safety, and greater prosperity. The company was established in 1936. The air conditioner business was launched in 1960. Air conditioner exports to the Middle East began in 1971 as the first step toward global expansion. Then, a distributor network was formed in Asia in 1975. Since then, the group has expanded aggressively, breaking into the markets in the EU and US and exporting to an increasing number of countries. The group has continued developing and manufacturing new products. Production locations were established in Thailand and Shanghai in the 1990s. Our products are now being used in 109 countries throughout the world. We are now a market leader in many of these countries and regions. Ever since the company was founded, we have continued making better products that meet the needs of our customers based on sound management. Fujitsu General has established development and production locations in Thailand, China, and Japan in order to deliver products that meet the requirements of a variety of needs and regions. Meticulous development from a holistic viewpoint is being carried out at our Kawasaki headquarters. Fujitsu General products are born from our customers. We conduct customer surveys and regional marketing research on our products that are used in a variety of environmental conditions. We also conduct surveys of customer needs at product workshops to listen directly to their opinions. We gather all kinds of information on our products from around the world through various surveys and research into their actual application and use. Then, based on the customer opinions gathered, we lay down plans for products that meet environmental and government regulations, as well as the input of different customers. We produce numerous samples and trial products on which we carry out tests, including examinations of their designs and structures. Fujitsu General's products undergo rigorous testing under all kinds of conditions at a variety of facilities. 60-meter height difference tests are carried out for installation of our air conditioners in buildings where there are huge differences in elevation. Environmental tests are carried out to simulate operation under a variety of temperatures. Extremely low temperature tests are carried out, simulating a harsh environment. Water penetration and typhoon tests are also conducted to test air conditioners for safety against harsh outdoor environments. Other than that, new products are developed under strict management, which includes the use of anechoic chambers to measure the levels of electromagnetic wave noise generated by them. Our products, developed based on customer opinions, operate with stability in all harsh environments ranging from the parched conditions of the Middle East to the extreme cold of Northern Europe. We have also introduced numerous technologies to the world through sustained research and development and insight based on customer needs. Our products cater to all our customers' needs with air conditioners for residential use, light commercial use, for medium-sized commercial buildings or apartment houses, and even heavy commercial use, in which we have a lot of experience. We have subsidiaries in various regions throughout the world to not only engage in sales, but also to ensure continued trust after installation. Furthermore, we have training centers throughout the world for installers and cooperating dealers to acquire the necessary technical skills to install and support our products. We strive to bolster our services by investing a lot of effort into a diverse range of training programs. We have systemized the entire process of providing aftercare services, from taking phone calls to handling repair work. We provide fast, responsive services. We also run TV commercials, provide support to sports, and engage in charity. Moreover, we have a comprehensive program geared towards sales, including trade show exhibits and presentations. Our products, which have spread throughout the world, have won numerous awards in recognition of their outstanding designs and energy efficiency. We will continue to move forward hand in hand with our customers as we head toward a prosperous future filled with dreams. Our wish is for greater comfort, greater safety, and a future with greater prosperity filled with dreams. Through our constant pursuit of innovation, the Fujitsu General Group contributes to the creation of a comfortable and safe society and brings about a prosperous future that fulfills the dreams of people throughout the world.